Welcome to the fourth episode of Capsule. Let's consume, learn, and excel, a digital series dedicated to enrich your understanding about quality at Tata Steel. Today, we will talk about Pokayoke. What is better than fixing a broken thing? It is if we can stop it from breaking in the first place, for which we need to make it error proof. Thus comes the Pokayoke, a term coined by Shigeo Shingo in 1960s for the part of Toyota production system. It deals with mistake proofing or foolproofing. This mechanism helps equipment operators to avoid mistakes or accidental errors. Pokayoke is a Japanese improvement strategy which provides focused solution for continual improvement and to prevent defects or non-conformities which may occur during a manufacturing process. It makes whole system error proof. Do you know what is the need of Pokayoke? The success of any organization depends on the quality of products or services that it delivers. Therefore, defects or errors are major concern for any industry. So, there is always a demand for the RACE, which stands for Reduce, Act, Cost and Enhance. Or we can say, we need to reduce wastage, act on increasing productivity, reduce cost by eliminating human errors. Eventually, an error-free product or services would enhance customer satisfaction. Pokayoke can be broadly classified on the basis of prevention as well as detection. Shutdown, control, and warning type Pokayoke are prevention based, while contact, fixed value, and sequential type Pokayokes are detection based. Let's understand with few examples. Treadmills come equipped with safety clips, which when pulled, stop the treadmill. Also, when a short circuit fuse is blown out, it cuts down electric supply, thus avoiding further accidents. These are examples of shutdown type Pokayokes. In case of control type Pokayokes, as in many household appliances such as microwaves, washing machines, dryers and dishwashers, they come with interlock feature that prevent them from running when the door is open. Few simple examples of warning type Pokayoke are excess weight warning in elevators, overload protection in plant equipments, or spell check in Microsoft Word. Very familiar 3-pin plugs and USB plugs are classical examples of the contact method of error proofing. They are designed in such a way that there is only one possible way to insert in the respective outlets, which uses the object's physical shapes to prevent mistakes from occurring. Fixed value methods uses a fixed number of parts that must be attached to a product or a fixed number of operations that need to be done at a workstation. For example, if a certain number of operations are not completed at a workstation, a logic controller can stop the equipment to eliminate the error from propagating. This method can be easily understood by an example of an egg tray, where we cannot put more than the number specified. Sequence type Pokayoke or motion step method is employed when a process requires several different activities to be completed in sequence by same operator. For example, proximity switch that opens only after all components are loaded in correct order. Another example is color coding of electrical wires that to be used in sequence to make it error proof. Let's imagine the era of intelligent Pokayoke. With the advent of Industry 4.0, it has opened a world of opportunities which would enable mistake proofing or Pokayoke to be handled in an intelligent and efficient manner. It would help in identifying opportunities quickly by reducing observation time, as the data will be automatically sensed and captured. Rapid experimentation of various solutions may be possible. With the explosion of data, better decisions can be taken in no time. Now that we have understood details about Pokayoke, if we can summarize in one line, then Pokayoke is a step in a process which is designed to stop errors. I hope this episode has enhanced your knowledge about Pokayoke. If yes, can you list down 3 Pokayoke around you right now according to their types? I hope you can. Stay tuned for the future episodes.